So we are here looking at the Terahertz Frequency Wand. And the Terahertz Frequency Wand is one of our newest technology products that we're now carrying. And as you can see, we have a lot of technology products, sometimes referred to as medbed type technology, but these are the Tesla healing coils, or excuse me, the healing paddles. There's 3 of those that come. They're down underneath. This is the Tesla plasma machine, where this generator is basically hitting this tube that has gas in it, which is throwing off a specific frequency that we're running. That's basically here in the frequency set books, with there's 3,500 different frequency codes. We've got the Tesla ozone ray. And then we also have, or excuse me, the Tesla ozone ray right here. And this is Nikola Tesla's original technology. So these are still available, but when you get into the old and the new, this terahertz device, this terahertz light device, is probably some of the best and newest technology that's out there. Now, this is using quantum scalar technology, right? So this quantum scalar technology is throwing the light. This light, in fact, will penetrate into the body. It'll basically energize all the cells. And by energizing all the cells, it basically gets rid of cells that are mutated, that are not good. It gets the other cells working at their maximum capacity. It's great for helping with cellular regeneration. You can activate stem cells with this, right? So you can activate stem cells by putting it on your lower back, down by your tailbone, and activating stem cells to help with regeneration. So if you're looking for technology products, you can see here that we carry a wide variety of different products, and these products are now available. Of course, we call in on the... So these technology products are now available. So the Terahertz wand is a great starter, right? The Tesla plasma is a pretty large unit. It's pretty expensive. This is very affordable. It's great for your skin. It's great for detox. It's great for, I mean, there's a lot of different benefits that go with this. So we're going to put a web address up there on the Terahertz wand. If you're looking to purchase these, let us know. And we'll put our website up there, usamedbed.com. You can go and find these products. And we'll have a web address just for the terahertz. So give us a call if you're looking for anything that has to do with new technology, that has to do with anti-aging and wellness. These are all products that we have. And this terahertz frequency device, Terahertz wand as we call it, is definitely probably our most popular item right now that we've got. So visit our website for more information, and we'll see you again soon.